Good evening, and talofa. Talofa is hello, good evening, hello, in Samoan. We are representatives of Samoa as well as Australia. My name is Steve Amosa, graduate of Belconnen High School all the way back in 1992. I'm here supporting the star of tonight, Mayor Amosa from Lake Gendera College. Thank you. Maya is joined by her older sister, Kirrah Amosa, on the guitar there, vocals. And someone who's not mentioned on the program, Maya's younger brother, Kofi Amosa.
Matalasi, osi omia, elesami, atu maungalanu lau ava, efewa. Fia o tangata la Samoa la Samoa ea le atua olo fa'avae e monile Leaolo malo tali ilangi Samoa e malo fa'atasi Samoa e malo fa'atasi 6 years I've been in the city, and every night I dream of the sea. They say home is where you find it, but will this place ever satisfy me? I know I come from the saltwater people. We always live by the sea, and now I'm down here living in the city with my man and family. My island home, my island home, my island home is waiting for me. My island home, my island home, my island home is waiting for me. In the evening, the dry wind blows from the hills, and across the plain, and I close my eyes and I'm standing in a boat on the sea again, and I'm holding the long turtle spear, and I feel I'm close now to where it must be, and my island home is waiting